Yo, what's going on everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I wanted to go over VAD proxy. So VAD proxy is a project that takes in your live mic voice audio and transcribes it using VAD. So automatically it will transcribe what you're saying and show it in the transcription. It's kind of like what Grok Imagine does and some other services. After that, it will convert this to a proper text, clean it up, and send this to whichever endpoint you want, whether it's another LLM or whether it's a chat endpoint. So you can think of it in terms of essentially taking your voice input and sending it as chat. It does some smart things in the background. For example, it does chunk your voice, so it allows you to actually transcribe a little bit faster, so it doesn't wait for you to finish speaking before starting the transcription. And also, there's quite a few parameters you can tune specifically for your voice. It also has something called chunk debug, so check this out.
Convert this to, after that, it will convert this to a proper text.
So as you can see, it chunks your words. You can kind of adjust the chunking. So right now it's chunking about 0.5 seconds. You could have it chunk a little bit longer. So this is still up to adjustments, and that's why we made it open source. You guys can take a look at the code. It's pretty light. It just doesn't take too much RAM. And we actually built this with our Mergestorm agents, with our Cyclone and Vortex agents. So you can see some of the closed PRs here. Some of the more successful ones, we have some just basic SEO stuff. But as you can see, we did build this with Mergestorm, and this is just part of showcasing the Mergestorm agents. If you guys want to take a look, so we made some updates to Mergestorm. We have made over 2,000 patches already. It's been going quite well. So Mergestorm, it uses a combination of DeepSeek and Claude to get really fast reviews and still give it good quality reviews. It does a full pass on it, and Cyclone will follow up with a commit. So it is meant to go in a loop. It's like an agentic loop. You don't have to do anything, just simply turn on the settings in Mergestorm, and Cyclone and Vortex will automatically do the reviews and the fixes for you. And this kind of simplifies the workflow for the PRs. Essentially, you're just opening up the PRs using cursor or whatever models you want. This loop will go and hammer it down. If it starts hammering it too much, then you know something is wrong. Usually that means some sort of architectural issue. You can just close the PR, reopen it, or adjust it. Most of the times it will do really well, and we've been fine-tuning this loop quite a bit. I've using it in every single PR, and it's quite good. It'll catch real edge cases because it scans your diff. It uses full agentic workflows to actually investigate different paths. If you guys want to improve your coding pipeline, I highly recommend you guys check it out. When it comes to the tech stack for this repo, we have React and Vite for the front end. And we also have the LLM layer on the back end. It's built in Python. It's fully Dockerized, so it runs in a Docker container. It does have an LLM layer. We use Strawberry GraphQL to do the connection between the front end. So again, this is a front end connection. If you're trying to plug this in, ideally, the front end would plug in directly into the servers. No API. So this is the proxy that sits between your main API and the front end. The front end just directly talks to this VAD proxy, and the VAD proxy proxies over the requests to your API. So yeah, just the bare basics for the tech stack. We have Python, Fast API, Strawberry GraphQL, Silero VAD with onnxruntime, pluggable speech-to-text like DeepGram or OpenAI, and we have some LLM backends like DeepSeek. Now, what's the point of DeepSeek? In an LLM, we have DeepSeek right here. So DeepSeek will actually try and, after the utterance is finished, so the way we talk about it is an utterance is going to be just one simple message. So this would be an utterance. So right now I'm talking, and this would be one utterance. Okay, as you can see here, when I spoke, it misspelled this word, and then DeepSeek actually fixed it. The way this works is after the transcript, before committing it. So this is the interim. The transcript, when we are speaking, it's an interim. It's called an interim right here. When it's actually committing this transcript to text, this is when DeepSeek actually processes it. So this is the perfect project. If you're trying to build a voice agent, this is a great starting point. It's fully open source. It runs locally. There's absolutely zero cost to silence. So you can leave it on 24/7, and if you're not speaking, there's zero cost. A lot of times if you're doing voice chat with some AI agents, there's going to be cost for them just listening. So this is a nice opportunity if you're looking to build your own AI assistant or agent where you just want to be able to talk to it at any point throughout your day. without worrying about cost when it's sitting idle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, this was built with the help of Mergestorm AI agents. If you guys want to check it out, it's really nice. It really speeds up your productivity. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will make sure to answer them. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.